Alright guys, this is part 4 of our the candy score. Also came in is a set of Phoney candies. These are payphone candies made by Fleer. There's a couple of colors in here I've never seen, so I'm really excited to get these in. Sorry about the glare. This looks like an army green color. Here's another army green, but slightly lighter. Here's like a Prussian blue. This one's pretty common, it's just the red one. Here's sort of a grayish blue. Here's the turquoise, really pretty. And then the yellow here that has a Woolworth price sticker, 35 cents back in the day. Very cool. Russ Van out. Fleer Phoney phone forever.